When powerful winter storms sweep across cities and mountains, the world can change in a matter of minutes. Roads disappear beneath heavy snow, visibility drops to almost nothing, and silence takes over as everything becomes covered in white. In these harsh moments, snow removal trucks become the unsung heroes of winter. They are the machines that rise before dawn, push through dangerous conditions, and work tirelessly to reopen the routes that millions depend on. As the storm intensifies, these massive trucks roll out of their depots with engines rumbling and headlights cutting through the darkness, prepared for a long and demanding mission. Their blades lower, the hydraulics hum, and the battle against the storm begins. On the major highways, the trucks encounter massive piles of snow, sometimes higher than the vehicles themselves. With incredible force, the plow blades push the snow aside, carving paths through icy obstacles and revealing the dark pavement beneath. Every pass they make clears another lane and brings the road one step closer to safety. Drivers, focused and alert, rely on advanced navigation systems, heated windshields, and radar sensors to guide them through the chaos. Outside the cabin, the wind howls and snow flies in every direction, but the trucks keep moving forward, steady and determined, because they know that stopping is not an option. Inside city centers, the challenge becomes even more delicate. Narrow streets, parked cars, busy intersections, and tight corners require precision and patience. Snowplow operators must maneuver carefully, making sure to remove as much snow as possible without damaging vehicles or property. As they work, people watch from their windows, grateful for the teams who brave the harsh conditions so life can continue, so businesses can open, so public transport can run, and so emergency vehicles can reach those who need help. Every cleared street is a step toward normalcy in the middle of a storm that tries to bring everything to a halt. But removing the snow is only the first part of the job. Once the streets are cleared, another critical phase begins, preventing dangerous ice from forming. Salt-spreading trucks drive slowly through the roads, scattering thousands of grains of salt or spraying liquid de-icing chemicals. These substances melt the thin, invisible layers of black ice that cause countless accidents each winter. It is a slow and steady process, repeated over and over during the storm, because temperatures drop quickly and ice can form again within minutes. Yet the teams continue without hesitation, knowing that these treatments save lives and keep the city moving even in the harshest conditions. Higher in the mountains, the mission becomes more extreme. Snow removal crews face steep cliffs, sharp turns, and brutal winds that blow snow across the road as fast as it can be cleared. Specialized heavy-duty trucks fitted with giant blowers carve through snow walls that rise like frozen waves on either side of the road. One mistake on these narrow mountain passes could be dangerous, but the operators are experienced and well-trained, guiding their machines with expert control. They climb higher and higher, clearing access routes to remote communities, ski resorts, and emergency shelters. Up there, every meter gained feels like a victory against nature's toughest challenges. When night falls, the job becomes even harder. Temperatures plunge, snowflakes drift silently through the darkness, and the roads become icy once again. But the trucks do not stop. Their bright headlights sweep across the empty streets, illuminating the falling snow like diamonds in the air. The operators work long, exhausting shifts, sometimes 12 or 14 hours without rest. Driven by a sense of duty, that goes far beyond routine. In their cold cabins, heated seats and hot coffee keep them going as they push through hour after hour of relentless weather. Behind the scenes, maintenance crews work just as hard. In warm garages, mechanics replace frozen hydraulic lines, repair steel blades bent by hidden obstacles, and check engines that have been under constant strain.